All right, tell me those pork chops aren't beautiful from Wally. Now, I'm gonna show you something. See how I'm sealing them in a, you can hear when it snaps, there you go. Now, the meal I made that makes a man out of a mouse. You ready? Whoa, you see that steam? Wow, I'm glad I didn't get involved in that. But anyway, there's my pork chop breakfast. It's pork chops, egg. Man, is that nice. Wow. I don't know how I do it. Think about it. Look at this. Watch when I flip this. Look at that egg flambeing around there. So anyway, don't get all excited about it, but I am. Wow, put these in the fridge and call her a beauty.